Hello students, today we are going to take revision of first lesson, Versatile Computer. Let's see.
Uses of a computer. Computers have become so important for us that it is impossible to perform many tasks without them. They are used in almost every area. Let us learn more about the application of computers in different areas. Computers are used at home for playing games, listening to music, storing addresses and telephone numbers, keeping track of monthly expenses, writing letters, watching movies, and performing calculations. Computers are used in schools by teachers for preparing lessons, teaching different subjects using CDs, preparing report cards. Students also use computers for preparing projects and learning different subjects. Computers are used in making films. Earlier, creating animation films used to be a difficult task. Each picture in the sequence had to be drawn by hand. Today, computers have made it really easy to make cartoon films and other animations. Animation is the technique of giving an object the appearance of movement by rapidly running a series of images of the object or character in different positions. Pictures can be easily modified nowadays on a computer to suit the requirement of a film. Special effects such as the sequence of a battle, an earthquake, or a fire can be created using a computer. These special effects can also be combined with real scenes and characters. Computers are used to monitor and control space equipments, satellites, etc. Satellites are linked to a computer which provide information for space research. Satellites also help predict weather patterns. Satellites transfer information from space to computers on Earth. These computers process the information and make predictions about the weather. Space shuttles and rockets, which take man into space, are controlled by computers. Computers are used in offices for the following reasons: maintaining office records, communicating through emails, typing and printing documents. Computers are also used in libraries for maintaining the database of all the books available in library, keeping track of issue and return of books. Computers are widely used in the field of medicine. Computers are used to maintain medical records of patients for future reference. Computerized equipment is used for performing medical tests and surgeries in hospitals. Computer-assisted equipment helps in monitoring the condition of patients. Computerized machines are used to manufacture medicines. Computers are used in banks for providing account details to customers and in printing account statements. Operating automated teller machines, that is ATMs, which are machines installed outside the bank that enable customers to withdraw money at any time. Computers are also used in designing field. Architects design buildings and houses on computers. Engineers design cars, aeroplanes, etc. on computers. A dress designer designs dresses on computer. Computers are used in shops and hotels for maintaining records of stocks and prices of items and preparing bills. Robots are human like machines guided and controlled by computers. They can do some tasks that human cannot do. Robot can handle chemicals that are too dangerous for human to touch. Robots can go to dangerous places such as deep underwater to search for sunken ships or look for mineral deposits. Robots can also go inside active volcanoes. Robots help explore other planets. Robots help doctors perform operations. Computers are used in airline and railway booking counters, where all computers are connected to a common network. This enables people to book tickets from any town or city to any other place. The steps for booking a ticket are as follows. All the information required is fed into a computer by the booking personnel. The availability of tickets is checked. The tickets so booked are printed and issued. This new information is updated immediately on all computers through the common network and the latest status is displayed.
Okay, thank you. And today's homework will be learn all the question answers and read the lesson. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.